everybody at home. I am Danny. I am the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and I am coming to you from Kidtropolis. That is our kid city. So it's for kids, run by kids. Kids get to decide where to work, where they earn money. They get to decide what to do with that money afterwards. And of course, one of the places where people love to work and to shop is right here in our H-E-B market. So right now it is September, and that means it's actually National Hispanic Heritage Month. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna celebrate this with our friends at home. Now if you come to visit us at the museum, we have all sorts of great programming out throughout the different exhibits to help us celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. But for my friends at home, I wanted to actually show you how you can make a recipe, because food is a really important part of any good celebration, right? So we have our weekly recipes here in the market, and one of the recipes you can actually find on H-E-B's website. They have hundreds of recipes. There's so many different ideas for dinners and breakfast, appetizers, desserts, all sorts of things. One of the ones I found was for grilled Mexican street corn. It's pretty easy to make. It only requires a few ingredients. So I'm gonna have us see if we can shop for all of these ingredients here in our H-E-B market, see if we can find a couple of other food items to go with this, and I'm gonna challenge us to see if we can do this for under $20. All right, so we're gonna start off over here. I know we need some fruits and vegetables. We need a lime. It looks like I can get that for $1. Now we've got our corn over here. Our corn is a little pricey here in this market, but you know what? I have also been to H-E-B markets where I was able to get corn for $1. Pretty awesome. So we're gonna assume that these are also on sort of a seasonal deal right now. So I got $2 so far with my corn and my limes. Now let's see, I also need some mayonnaise and I need some cayenne pepper. Oh, look at that, so convenient. All right, now I know my mayonnaise is $2. My cayenne pepper is also about $2, which means so far I'm up to $6. All right, we're gonna step over here to our refrigerated section because the last thing I need is some cotija cheese. And then, oh, right here we go, right in our refrigerator. We have our queso cotija for $3, so we're now up to $9. So I can definitely make this well under budget. I'm gonna see if I can add a few items just so that I can really round out this meal. One of the things that H-E-B has is their Meal Simple deals, where you can actually buy food that is already made. All you have to do is put it in the microwave or in the oven, and you've got yourself a fantastic meal. So I'm gonna add some empanadas to my meal. That puts me at $15 overall. And I am also gonna get a dessert. I have a bit of a sweet tooth, so I'm gonna get some caramel flan to go with this as well, which I know I can get at H-E-B for about $3. So I managed to actually come in about $2 under budget, which is great. I'm gonna head over to our registers so that I can pay for my groceries here. Once I've paid for my groceries, I will show you how we can cook this meal. All right, everybody, it is time to cook. Now for this particular recipe that I found online, again, you can find these on H-E-B's website. Just go to heb.com/recipe. To find this recipe in particular, you're gonna search for grilled Mexican street corn. I didn't grill my corn. I played with the recipe a little bit. I actually cooked my corn in my crock pot because I'm inside, so I wasn't gonna grill indoors. But it worked really well in the crock pot. I put a little bit of water in. I took all of the husks and everything off my corn. I cooked everything on high for about 3 hours, and check it out. Oh, I hope you guys can see that steam. It smells so good in here. Look at this corn. Oh, it smells delicious. All right, we're gonna start with just one ear of corn here, and I wanna make sure everybody sees how we actually put this together. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take some lime and we're gonna squeeze a wedge of lime over that corn right away, just to get some of that juice from that lime right on top of that corn. Excellent, I'll set this aside. Next thing we do, we're gonna coat this thing in mayonnaise. Now I tell you, this recipe, it has measurements on it of how much you're gonna use. And if you wanna follow the recipe absolutely as it says, that is great. Me, I'm just gonna take a scoop of mayonnaise and I'm gonna smear it all over this corn because I wanna make sure the whole thing is covered in mayo. I'm gonna turn it around, get some of the stuff that I dropped, put it on the other side. It's gonna be a little bit messy. I got plenty of napkins, so that's not a problem for me. Oh, look at that. It's already looking and smelling delicious. Now the next step, and this is from the recipe itself, is it says dredge this corn. Not just like sprinkle, not just like add a teeny pinch or anything. Dredge this corn in tortilla cheese. So that is absolutely what I'm going to do. I'll still use a spoon. I'll be polite about it, but I'm gonna bring my cheese over here and just dump a whole bunch of cheese on this corn. And I'll turn it and dump a whole bunch there. And I think I'm being too conservative. I can add more. There we go. There's more cheese on this side. And now I've got even more cheese on the top. I think that is sufficiently dredged. I don't know, what do you guys, is any falling off? Oh, yeah, there we go. That's how we know it's dredged. Okay, the last step in making our corn, I just need to take some of my cayenne pepper and I'm gonna sprinkle this on for a little color and spice. And same thing, I can kind of turn it just so that I can get the color on all sides. But in the end, I have a beautiful presentation here with all this extra cheese on the edge. I'm so excited. I have more corn. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat those same steps of adding all of the different ingredients, and I will show you what it looks like when it's all done. And we're done. This was such an easy recipe to make. Check it out. I've got my corn. It looks delicious. I've got it all plated together with my empanadas from the Real Simple menu. All I had to do was take it out, put it in the microwave for a little while in our staff kitchen. Super easy. And of course, I've got my flan, which is a fantastic dessert. I will probably start off eating that, even though this other stuff smells so good because I just have a sweet tooth. I love it. So, thank you very much, everybody, for joining us. We certainly hope that at home you will make this or some of your own favorite recipes to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month at some point here in the month of September. And of course, we hope to see you all again here at the museum, here in Kidtropolis really soon. In the meantime, have a great day. I will see you all later. Bye.